this case, the bike was completely surprised by the driver who decided to turn left from the right lane.
Tá suave, tá suave. Apoia o pezinho, por favor.
Opa! Olha, né, pai?
You okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. He's good. Your car's good too.
This rider learned very quickly how important it is to properly focus on the road.
Oh no! 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 Oh! Oh!
It was at the
Ah! Oh, you see that? Fazendo curso de palhaço, é? Tu entra pro lado, não dá a seta, não espera, aí o carro vem, você bota por cima. Aí tá calminho agora porque eu tô filmando, né?
The rider in the front was too confident, driving too close to very expensive cars, and that's why we didn't have to wait for the results too long.
Und er ist draufgefahren, oder? Ist alles gut?
Fährt da hinten drauf.
Ja, jetzt höher. Ja.
Na klar ist er drauf.
Ich bin ja gerne in die Luft gefahren.
Ja, klar. Ja, klar bist du drauf. Hast du gesehen? Ruf dazu. Der ganze Kran ist drauf.
Ja, logisch. Oh, scheiße.
Du hast es genau gesehen. Du hättest dir mit Ansage sagen können.
Ja, ja. Fahre da hin und gucken, was?
Oh, really? Okay, yep. Just cut me off. You didn't see me. You're too busy drinking your drink.
Stood the bike up to run out, so I was running into the dirt on the inside. Stood the bike up at the last second. That pushed me wide. Didn't tip it back in soon enough and just drifted out to the outside of the track, and then target fixated off the track, went off into the dirt, and did some pretty good dirt biking there for a second, but eventually got to the point where a fence kind of came out of nowhere that I didn't even know existed there, and yeah, that was pretty unfortunate and hurt.
It can be seen very quickly that the driver in the back is in a really hurry and he is also trying to make this rider go faster. The driver eventually decides that it would be a good idea to take his revenge in an unsafe manner.
Putain, ça va? Oh! Ouh.
Bougez pas. Vous avez un portable?
Moi, si vous voulez, j'ai mon portable. Allez-y, appelez les pompiers direct. Ça va?
Non, pas trop.
Bah, bougez pas, bougez pas.
Bouge pas. Bougez pas. Bougez pas. Vous avez mal où?
Dans le dos, côté gauche.
Ok. Bougez pas. Putain, et puis ils répondent pas.
Je vous appelle parce qu'il y a, pour vous signaler, il y a un accident.
Ah, c'est bon?
Oui, bonjour, vous m'entendez ou pas? Oui, bonjour, c'est pour vous signaler qu'il vient d'avoir un accident, un motard qui est à terre. Et ben le moteur est à terre.
I do hope that clips like this one will be a good lesson for you that shows how senseless aggression on the road is.
Why? Why? Why, dude? Why? 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 What? I can't hear you, bro. Hey! What, dude? Come talk to me. Come talk to me, dude. What? 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 What is your problem? What is your problem? Oh, I wish this would say something. What? Oh, you got a gun. He got a gun. He got a gun. Look at him. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. Wow. Hey, look. Look, it's all on camera. Look. Look, it's all on camera, dude. You that scared of me? Really? You're gonna start out a gun? Just tell me why you flipped me the bird. Just tell me. Look at him. Ooh, you're a tough bad. Oh, you're gonna point it at me? Hold on, I'm gonna get your plate number. I'm getting your plate number. I already got it, but I'll get it again just to make sure. BU92720. All right, got you, bro. Got you, homie.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.